The Large-Scale Gantry Machining Center G40 is an industrial-grade large-scale gantry machining center integrating additive manufacturing and milling. In short, it can perform 3D printing and CNC 5-axis machining at the same time on the same equipment. A blank, milled to remove material to achieve a final shape. Often more material is removed than the final formed workpiece material. But the G40 uses 3D printing to first create the outline and then mill it to its final size, removing much less material, making it faster and less expensive. Now G40 is printing bathroom parts with a size of 510 by 380 by 250 mm. The material used is PETG plus 30% glass fiber, and the size is relatively large. Therefore, a 6 mm high-flow screw extrusion nozzle is selected. On the premise of ensuring the stability and accuracy of the gantry, the printing speed can be up to 10 m a minute. After 5 hours of printing, the bathroom parts have been printed, and the speed is still very fast, as you can see. Through 3D printing, the size and contour of the workpiece are close to the final shape. Next, we start the CNC 5-axis milling process. After the post-milling process, we can see that the texture of the finished workpiece is very flat and smooth, and the product prototype is highly restored. G40 is suitable for printing various thermoplastic pellets, special mixtures, ceramics, and metal materials such as PLA, PETG, ABS, PC, PA, and supports a variety of fiber composite thermoplastic polymer materials. The standard working space can reach 3,725 by 2,500 by 1,330 mm, specifically designed for printing large and very large workpieces.